In this session, we will discuss UV visible spectrophotometer double beam instrument. Instruments that uses UV visible source to study the interaction of radiation by the matter for molecular absorption spectroscopic measurements. These are used for both qualitative and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis for obtaining the molecular absorption spectrum, that is plot of absorbance versus wavelength. Quantitative analysis means by relating absorbance to the concentration of analyte. UV visible spectrophotometers are of two types: single beam instrument and double beam instruments. This diagram is of UV visible spectrophotometer double beam. Instrument utilizes two beams of light passing through the sample compartment, and detector measures absorbance, which is given as log of I naught by IT is equal to epsilon BC. A is absorbance, I naught is intensity of incident beam, IT is intensity of transmitted beam, epsilon molar absorptivity, B is the path length, and C is the concentration. Double beam instruments offer some advantages over single beam instruments. This is the case of a single beam instrument where one has to adjust zero frequently to find the absorbance value of the sample or standard. This diagram shows variation in intensity of light from tungsten filament source with wavelength. With wavelength, intensity of radiation emitted changes. An error will result if intensity of light passing through the sample changes following calibration and before the sample or standard is read. Such a change can occur due to fluctuations in power supply to the source or to the detector, an unstable source, or when a different wavelength is selected via the monochromatic control. For obtaining absorbance versus wavelength, we have to change the wavelength, and for changing the wavelength, intensity emitted at different wavelength is different. Hence, one has to set absorbance to 0 whenever one is changing the wavelength for obtaining molecular absorption spectrum. Intensity of light changes dramatically as wavelength through the monochromator is changed. Recalibration with the blank is necessary periodically or each time the wavelength is changed for obtaining molecular absorption spectrum or due to fluctuation in voltage. This becomes extraordinarily long and tedious procedure, and loss of accuracy occurs as recalibration with the blank can take few seconds and power fluctuation can occur in this time period. Double beam design allows the blank to be checked and calibration to take place only a split second before the sample is read. Advantages of double beam instrument: it eliminates the need for continuous monitoring of the blank. It requires less time, increase in accuracy, that is time between the blank calibration and the sample measurement is drastically reduced. Allows rapid wavelength scanning for obtaining molecular absorption spectrum. This diagram is of UV visible spectrophotometer double beam. Light coming from the monochromator is directed along one of the two paths with the use of beam splitter, that is a rotating circular half mirror, which is used for splitting the light beam into two beams. Detector sees alternating I0 and IT and immediately compensates for effects of intensity fluctuations or wavelength changes. When we need to obtain molecular absorption spectrum, this is a diagram of a sample compartment of a typical double beam instrument. Sample compartment have two cuvette holders, one for the sample and the other for the blank. Two beams pass through the sample compartment. Reference beam passes through the blank. Sample beam passes through the sample or standard. Two cuvette materials must be matched in terms of path length, reflective and refractive properties. This diagram is of a single beam instrument and this diagram is of a double beam instrument. Here in single beam, recalibration with the blank is necessary periodically or each time wavelength is changed or due to fluctuation in voltage. In double beam, it allows the blank to be checked and calibration to take place only a split second before the sample is read. We have discussed double beam UV visible spectrophotometer and advantages of double beam instrument over single beam instrument. Thanks for watching this video.